everyone, let's learn some grammar. Let's take a look at today's key sentence. Oh, I'm pretty tired. Okay, let's break this down. Today's skill is expressing degree for states. Let's look at some adjectives that can get stronger or weaker in power. For example, hot, cold, cheap, expensive, big, small. These are all called gradable adjectives. We can use degree adverbs to express the degree of gradable adjectives. To express a low degree, we can say a bit, a little, somewhat, slightly. For example, a bit hot, a little hot, somewhat hot, slightly hot. To express a moderately high degree, we can say rather, fairly, quite, or pretty. For example, rather hot, fairly hot, quite hot, pretty hot. To express a high degree, we can say very, really, so, or extremely. For example, very hot, really hot, so hot, extremely hot. Let's take a look at the structure. We start with subject, then we use be. For example, I am. Then we use our degree adverb. For example, pretty, rather, very, so, quite. Then we use our gradable adjective. For example, tired, big, small, hot, cold. This becomes, I am pretty tired. Let's look at some examples. Please listen and repeat after me. The movie was a little boring. Oh, I'm so excited. The movie is quite long. This plan is somewhat old. He is extremely rich. I was slightly disappointed. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. If you would like to practice the grammar, please leave an example sentence in the comments below. Also, if you learned something from today's lesson, please consider liking and subscribing. Bye.